A very wonderful good morning everyone. This is class 4th subject mathematics. Students, today we are going to start chapter number 1 Roman numbers. So let's open page number 53. Students, Roman number system was developed in ancient Rome. Roman number system is another system of writing numbers. It has 7 basic symbols. We had already discussed earlier. I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500 and M represent to 1000. Students, we can write many numbers by using the different combination of these 7 symbols. In the previous video, I had already explained you. Now, a Roman number system has no place value system and has no symbol for 0. Okay. Now, students, there are various rules for writing Roman numbers. Rule number 1. Repetition of a Roman number symbol means addition. स्टूडेंट्स अगर कोई रोमन नंबर बार बार रिपीट हो रहा है इट मीन्स वो एडिशन हो रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल x मीन्स 30, 1x मीन्स 10, so 3x means 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Understood? Now C means 200. C represent to 100. So 2C means 200. Okay? Add हो जाएगा 100 plus 100, 200. Now the symbols V, L and D are never repeated. Students, जो symbol V, L और D है वो कभी repeat नहीं होते हैं. Okay? Now students, rule number 2. When we write a smaller Roman number after a greater Roman number, their values are added. Students, अगर हम कोई smaller Roman number को greater Roman number के बाद में लिखते हैं तो जो उसकी values रहेगी वो add हो जाएगी. For example, VI. Now student, here V means 5 and I means 1. So student, see, I is written after the greater Roman number. यहाँ पर greater Roman number V है. Okay? और V के बाद smaller Roman number लिखा रहे हैं that is I. So its values be added. Okay? So 5 plus 1, 6. Now next example, XI. Now students see, यहाँ पर X बड़ा है. X means 10. X is the greater Roman number and after this smaller Roman number is written that is I. So its values be added. 10 plus 1, 11. तो students, rule number 2 में हमें ये बताया गया है कि अगर कोई smaller Roman number greater Roman number के just बाद में लिखा हुआ होगा तो उसकी जो वैल्यूज रहेगी वो ऐड हो जाएगी. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. नाउ रूल नंबर 3. व्हेन वी राइट ए स्मॉलर रोमन नंबर बिफोर अ ग्रेटर रोमन नंबर देयर वैल्यूज आर सब्ट्रैक्टेड. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर कोई स्मॉलर रोमन नंबर ग्रेटर रोमन नंबर के पहले लिखा गया है, बिफोर में लिखा हुआ है, तो उसकी जो वैल्यूज रहेगी वो माइनस हो जाएगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल IV. नाउ स्टूडेंट सी, यहाँ पर ग्रेटर रोमन नंबर V है और V के पहले I लिखा हुआ है, V के पहले स्मॉलर रोमन नंबर लिखा हुआ है, तो उसकी जो वैल्यूज होगी वो माइनस हो जाएगी. मीन्स 5 minus 1, 4. अंडरस्टूड. नाउ नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल IX. नाउ स्टूडेंट, हियर ऑल्सो X इज द ग्रेटर रोमन नंबर एंड I इज रिटन बिफोर द ग्रेटर रोमन नंबर. I X के पहले लिखा हुआ है तो इसकी जो वैल्यूज होगी वो माइनस हो जाएगी. मीन्स 10 minus 1, 9. सो IX मीन्स 9. अंडरस्टूड. नाउ रूल नंबर 4. व्हेन ए स्मॉलर रोमन नंबर इज प्लेस्ड बिटवीन टू लार्जर रोमन नंबर्स देन इट इज ऑलवेज सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम द लार्जर नंबर इमीडिएटली फॉलोइंग इट. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर कोई स्मॉलर रोमन नंबर टू लार्जर रोमन नंबर के बीच में लिखा हुआ है तो उसकी जो वैल्यूज होगी वो लार्जर रोमन नंबर में से माइनस हो जाएगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हियर वी आर हैविंग XIV. Now students see, यहाँ पर जो I है वो टू लार्जर रोमन नंबर के बीच में लिखा हुआ है. X means 10 and V means 5 and I is written between the X and V, so its values are subtracted. Okay students, I जो है वो टू लार्जर रोमन नंबर के बीच में लिखा हुआ है, तो ये माइनस हो जाएगा. 5 minus 1 4. Okay, 10 plus 4 14. Let's open page number 55. Question number 1. Write Roman numbers for the following Hindu-Arabic numbers. Students, in question number 1, we have to write the Roman numbers for the Hindu-Arabic number. A 52. Students, how we can write 52 in Roman number? We use L for writing 50. Okay, L-I-I means 52. B 96. How we can write 90? X C means 90 and VI means 6. So X C VI means 96. Now C 48. हम 40 कैसे लिखते हैं students? We use XL to write in 40. Okay. So XL VII means 48. Now D 68. How we can write 60? LX represent to 60. LX means 60 and how we can write 8? We write 8 by using VII. Okay, VII means 8. So LX VII means 68. Now 51. So LI means 51. Okay, similarly students, you do rest of the sums in your book. Now question number 2. Write the predecessor of the following. Students, what do you mean by predecessor? Predecessor is the number that comes just before the particular number. In predecessor, we subtract 1. Okay. So, let's do A. LXX means 70. Now, which number will come before 70? 69. How we can write 69 in Roman number? LX IX. Okay. LX means 60 and IX means 9. So 69. Now B. L. L means 50 and what will come before 50? 49. So write XLIX. XL means 40 and IX means 9. So XLIX means 49. Okay, similarly students, you do rest of the sums in your book. In question number 2, you have to write the predecessor of the number. Okay, the number which comes just before the particular number. Now question number 3, write the successor of the following. Students, what do you mean by successor? In successor we add 1. The successor is the number that comes just after a particular number. Okay. So students, A, L, L के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? L means 50. Which number will come after 50? 51. So we write LI. Okay. Now B, LXX means 70. Which number will come after 70? 71. So we write LXXI. Okay, 71. Understood? Similarly students, you have to do rest of the sums. You have to write successor of the given number. Okay. Now students, question number 4. Arrange the following in ascending order. Students, what do you mean by ascending order? In ascending order, we arrange the number from the smallest to the greatest. First of all, we write the smaller number. Okay. So let's do XIX means XIX means 19, 2XI means 21, XV means 15, then LXIV means 64. So student, we have to arrange the number in ascending order. So first of all, we write the smaller number. So which is the smaller number? 15 is the smaller number. So first of all, we write XV. Okay. Now after 15, 19, So we write xix. Then 21, 2xi, then 64, lxiv. Similarly b, xli means 41, 3xvi means 36, lxi means 61, 3xvii means 38. Okay, so we have to arrange the number in ascending order. So first of all we write the smaller number 36. Okay, 3xvi means 36. First of all we write 36, then 38, then 41, and in the last we write the greatest number 61. Okay. Now question number 5. Arrange the following in descending order. In descending order, we arrange the number from the greatest to the smallest. Okay. So first of all, we write the greater number. So let's do A, X, LIX. X means 10, LIX means 59, XV means 15, XL means 40. Okay. तो स्टूडेंट सबसे बड़ा नंबर हमें पहले लिखना है. सो विच इज द ग्रेटर नंबर? 59 is the greatest number. So we write LIX, then 40 XL, then 15 XV, and in the last we write the smaller number, that is 10X. Okay. Now B, LXII means 62, V means 5, LXVI means 66, XL means 40. Okay. So first of all we have to write the greater number. So which is the greatest number? 66 is the greatest number. So we write LXVI. Then we write 62, then 40, and in the last we write 5. Okay. So this is how we arrange the number in ascending and in descending order. So students, do this in your book. Now question number 6, fill in the blanks. Students, sum number A, XL plus LI. XL means 40, LI means 51. 40 plus 51 कितना होगा स्टूडेंट? 91. How we can write 91 in Roman number? We write XCI. Okay, XCI represent to 91. Similarly B, C means 100, and LXX means 70. So 100 minus 70, 30. So we write 3x for 30. Okay. Now C, LIX means 59, VII means 8. So 59 plus 8, 67. How we can write 67 in Roman number? We write LXVII. Okay. Now D, XVI into V. XVI means 16 and V means 5. 16 into 5, 16 5s are 80. 80 को हम रोमन नंबर में कैसे लिखेंगे? We write LXXX. Okay.